Sorted garden greens in balsamic vinaigrette setting. Ang haba, diba? 7 nga pala siya. At ito na yung pinakahintay nyo, unlimited ribeye USDA steak. Ang laki ng servings niya and kahit unlimited siya, I'll be honest with you guys, naka-isang slab lang kami kasi as you can see, malaki at makapal siya. And we went for the medium rare steak and super na-enjoy ko siya kasi kahit walang sauce, masarap yung pagkaka-marinate sa kanya and super perfect yung seasoning. Pero, I want the 22 prime steak dun sa sauce na pinili nila. And for the sides, ang winner sa akin is the potato puree. Meron nga pala akong mga photos na naunang i-post. Tingnan nyo na lang dun yung ibang ingredients. Her gave me her glass of wine kasi hindi siya umiinom. And for the dessert of the day, we had the chocolate cake. Guys, in fairness, I love it. Nothing special, pero it complements the wine that they have given me. Thank you so much, guys. I wish you enjoyed this video.